How to add a glow effect in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. To get started, select the clip that you want to add the glow to and then press either Option or Alt on your keyboard, click and drag up. This is going to duplicate the clip. We then want to hide this original clip for right now and then select the duplicated clip. We then want to come up to the effect panel and then we want to search for Luma key. We then want to drag this effect onto the duplicated clip and then we need to come into Effect Controls and scroll down. We then need to adjust the cutoff. Now this is going to be different for every video. What I recommend you do is increase this value until you just see the areas that you really want to glow in your video. For my example, I'm going to have it at about 53%, that works for me. Next, what we want to do is come down to the layer that we've just disabled and re-enable it. With that done, we then want to come back into the effects panel and we want to search for Gaussian blur. We then want to grab this effect and put it on top of our duplicated clip. And then we want to come back into Effect Controls, scroll down and increase the blur until you have a glow that you like. I'm just going to go for a subtle glow like that. Now if I toggle this on and off, we can see the effects that the glow has had on my video there. And that's all there is to it.